सलोक महला पहला। सिर खुहाए पिए हैं मलवाणी, जूठा मंग मंग खाहे। फूल फदीहत मुँह लैन पड़ा सा, पानी देख सगाही। पेंडा वांगी सिर खुआयन, परियन हाथ सुहाही। माओ पियो किरत गवायन, टब्बर रोवहें ताही। Some folks are so involved in rituals referring to certain followers here. They get their hair pulled up from the head. They drink dirty water and eat only from begging alms. They even trace their night soil and breathe in from dirty smell. They feel shy of pure water. Try to see if any worms could be saved from the night soil. They get their hair plucked like the lamb gets its hair plucked for wool, and the one plucking their hair has to have their hands full of ashes. They do not carry out their parental profession, and their families wail over their actions. उना पिंडना पत्तल किरियाना दीवा, मुए किथाऊं पाही। 68 तीरथ देन ना टोई, ब्राह्मण अन्न ना खाही। सदा कुचील रहे दिन राति, मत्थे टिके नाही। चुंडी पाए बहन नित मरणे, दाड़ दीवान ना चाही। They refuse to offer any of the last rites of their elder dying ones, and they do not even light the lamps for them. After their death, where will they be sent? The 68 holy shrines of pilgrimage give them no place of protection, and no Brahmins ever eat their food. These followers believe that they should remain polluted and dirty forever, day and night. They do not apply any ceremonial tilak mark on their foreheads. They sit together in silence as if they are mourning all the time. They do not go to God's court. Lucky kase हथी फुमण अगो पिछी जाही। ना ओए जोगी ना ओए जंगम, ना ओए काजी मुल्ला। दए विगोए फिरे विगुते, फिटावते गल्ला। जिया मार जीवाले सोई, अवर ना कोई रखे। With their begging bowls hanging from their waists and their fly brushes in their hands, they move in sequence of one step forward, the other backward, so as to avoid any living being from their path being killed. Neither they are yogis, nor the followers of Shiva, nor any Muslim saints, nor any religious leaders. They are separated from the God. As such, they suffer. Cursed be such foolish people. What protection can they provide to living creatures who do not have faith in Vaheguru? In fact, Vaheguru is the one responsible for the creatures, as apart from Vaheguru, no one else has any control over it. दानो तै इस नानो वंजे, पास पई सिर खुथै। पानी विचों रतनु पन्ने, मेरे किया माधाणी। 68 तीरथ देवी थापे, पूर्बी लग्या बाणी। नाय निवाजा नातै पूजा, नावन सदा सुजानी। They never give any alms or donations to anyone, and they never do any cleansing baths. Their shaven heads become covered with dust. The jewel emerged from the water when the mountain of gold was used to churn it. The gods established the 68 sacred shrines of pilgrimage where the festivals are celebrated and hymns are chanted. After bathing, the Muslims recite their prayers, and after bathing, Hindus perform their worship services. The wise always take cleansing baths. मुया जीवित्यां गत होवे जां सिर पाइयै पानी नानक सिर खुथे शैतानी इना गल ना पानी वुठै होइयै होए बिलावल जिया जुगत समाणी वुठै अन्न कमाद कपाहा सब सै पड़दा होवे वुठै काह चरह नित सुरही सातन दही विलोवे तित किए होम जग सद पूजा पइयै कारज सोहे. At the time of the death and time of birth, they are purified when water is poured on their heads. O Nanak, considering all of these advantages of bath, why these silly people with their hair plucked do not even like to hear about having bath? When it rains, the mind gets into joyous mood and living beings sustain themselves on water. It is with the water and rain only that we get the crops of sugar cane and cotton that cover the body. With the rain and water, grass grows all over, which cows eat willingly, and then women churn the curd from the milk of cows and produce ghee, which is used in yagna and other functions, which become respectable with its use. Guru samund nadi sab sikhi naate jit vadiyai नानक जे सिर खुथे नावन नाही ता सत चटे सिर छाई. The Guru is the ocean, and all his teachings are like the rivers that are flowing. Bathing within these rivers, glorious greatness and spiritual wisdom is obtained. O Nanak, these people who are such followers with plucked hair, who do not even bathe, get dishonored and discredited.